Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by connecting your AirPods Pro and turning on Siri so voice control works without delay. First, pair the buds via Bluetooth and confirm they show as connected. Next, enable Hey Siri and allow microphone access. This gives Siri permission to listen when the AirPods are in. Once done, open Settings Siri and search to toggle Announce Notifications and check that your iPhone trusts the AirPods. These steps ensure reliable wake words and microphone routing for the next actions. Now you'll practice real commands so you know exactly how Siri performs. Say Hey Siri or press and hold a stem to invoke. That difference matters on the move. Ask to play specific songs, skip tracks, or set timers. Say turn on noise cancellation to switch listening modes without touching your phone. For navigation or calls, tell Siri a contact or an address and the routing begins. Make sure voice feedback and language match your preference in settings so responses are clear and consistent. To finish, keep firmware current and make a habit of charging both AirPods and iPhone because updates improve Siri reliability. If Siri isn't responding, reset connectivity. Put AirPods in the case, hold the setup button until the LED flashes amber then white, repair, and retest voice commands. One key troubleshooting tip: always check microphone ports for debris and confirm Siri permissions under settings. Blocked mics or disabled permissions are the most common causes of failures and are quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.